This quick shrimp fried rice is simple, healthy, and ready in just 10 minutes. Scramble the eggs until fluffy. Add shrimp and cook until pink. Toss in white scallion parts, then add blanched sweet peas and diced carrots. Add leftover rice and break it up. Season with salt and light soy sauce. Stir fry quickly over high heat. Add chopped lettuce and mix well. Garnish with green onions before serving. So delicious and easy. Give it a try. Simple, crystal dumplings with chives and egg. My family loves them. Toss the chopped chives with a little cooking oil to lock in moisture. Then add shredded carrots, scrambled chopped eggs, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground pepper, salt, and sesame oil. Mix it all up and set aside. Combine wheat starch, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Slowly pour in boiling water. Stir until it turns into flaky dough, then add a tiny bit of cooking oil, knead it into a smooth dough, roll it into a long log, and cut it into small pieces about 12 grams each. Roll each piece into a little ball, flatten it gently into a thin wrapper, stuff it with the chives and egg filling, and pinch it into your favorite dumpling shape. Then gently press and shape the edges until it forms the dumpling style you prefer. Bring the steamer water to a boil. Place the dumplings inside, cover with a lid, and steam on high heat for 8 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit for 1 minute. Super quick scallion oil noodles, easy, flavorful, and everyone loves them. Add a handful of scallions and peanut oil to a bowl. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Stir in light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little sugar. Toss your cooked noodles with 2 scoops of this delicious sauce. Every strand is coated in rich, savory scallion oil. So good. I'm trying this viral sweet and sour egg recipe. Fry the eggs until the bottom is crispy. Mix ketchup, sugar, white vinegar, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and water in a bowl. I don't like it too sweet, so I'll use less sugar. Pour the sauce over the eggs, cover, and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Sprinkle some white sesame and green onions. Simple, delicious, perfect with steamed rice. Spicy and sour hand-torn cabbage, a super delicious dish. Tear cabbage into pieces and rinse. Heat oil in a wok. Add garlic and dried chilies and stir fry until fragrant. Add cabbage and stir fry until soft. Add salt, chicken powder, soy sauce, and vinegar. Stir well and serve. Crisp, spicy, sour, and super appetizing. Place toast, add banana and cheese, then top with another toast. Make a well in the center. Add egg yolk and more cheese. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Crispy, cheesy, and delicious. Serve with warm milk. Nutritious breakfast ready. Chinese cabbage and egg stir fry. Heat oil in a wok. Quickly stir fry 3 eggs until golden and fluffy, then set aside. Stir fry spring onions and garlic until fragrant. Add cabbage and carrot. Stir fry over high heat until tender crisp. Add the eggs back in. Season with salt, chicken powder, and light soy sauce. Stir well over high heat and serve. Give it a try.